Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys can see, I put my wig on. This is one of my favorite wigs. It's just so cute. It's so like short and like it makes me want to cut my hair because I think it's super cute. Let me know down below if you guys think I should like actually chop it. I think it's super cute. If you can hear a buzzing, because I can for sure hear it. I can for sure hear it. It's just because of the light. I think it's like about to like die, but I don't know. So this is my new Boxycharm box. As you guys know, I love Boxycharm. I will leave my link down below for this. So if you would like to see what I create for my April box, then just keep watching. Alright, so we have this, which tells you exactly what's in the box, and then next up in the actual box is the Luxio Brushes. This includes the large shader, small shader, and then small contour, which is exciting. Luxio Brushes have really good brushes, so it's super exciting. So we have a small shader, smaller shader, and then a contour one right here. I'm definitely going to be using this bad boy. So I'm definitely going to be using this during the, I almost said the quiz, for the thing. I just got back from school. That's why I have like quizzes stuck in my head. But yeah, we're going to use these for this next product. The next product is from Pure or Purr or Prr, whichever one you want. And this is the Factional? No. So this is the packaging. This is so cute. This is from Pure, as I said again, and it just looks like this. It looks like it's gonna have really pretty colors, like my usual like favorite types of colors. I hate it when I can't get the stuff in here. I hope I don't break my nails. So in this, it also came with a Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. That's awesome. I don't think they've ever had this in here, so that's great. But here is the palette. Oh, it's really cute. Alright, so the palette looks like this, so I'm definitely going to use it, and I'm going to use those two colors that was in here. So I'm going to show you guys how I put this on. I'm not going to be talking, but I will show you guys if I liked it or things like that. Right, so the first thing I'm actually going to show is this brush, just because it's like a contour brush, and they don't have like any bronzer things in here. So I'm just going to use this. This is my Too Faced Born This Way medium dark bronzer. So I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to use this brush to show you guys how it works or not. I do have a little bit of bronzer, but it's a really light bronzer. So let's see how the brush goes. I actually really like the size of the brush. It's like not too heavy. It's not too thick. It's like kind of dense. I am losing a couple of hairs already, which kind of sucks. But maybe that was just one. So now that it's happening, it's not happening anymore. I think it must have just been a few, because now I'm like really pulling on it, and there's no issues now. So let's just put this, and I love the size of the brush. I think the brush is like the perfect size for like contouring and just kind of getting everything in there. I'm getting a phone call. I wouldn't want it any bigger, but I also would not want any smaller for contouring, just because that can get kind of messy and like dirty looking. So I like this so far. So I just finished the eyes right here and I absolutely love it. I really, really like this palette. I think it's actually amazing. These two right here, I did use some Fix Plus, so it definitely helped because before it didn't really work, but I did know that it was most likely not gonna stay. Or so if I was you, I would use like glitter glue before just to make sure it's like really gonna like stay, especially if you're going somewhere like going out or something. I would make sure you have like a glitter glue for your eyes. But I really do like the palette. I think the colors are so gorgeous. So I would highly recommend for this palette. This palette is $36. Also, these brushes were $28. Alright, next up in the box we have a mascara. This is from Butter London. I love Butter London. I think it's an amazing product, or products. So this is just a Power Up mascara. So I think it's really important to see like what it looks like before you buy, but so now I'm going to show you what they look like. So I like really either really big or like really like, I don't even know. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I would not I'm not going to say I wouldn't recommend because I haven't tried it yet, but this is not a type of project. See? Teacher problems. I would never use something with this type of wand for this, but we're going to try, we're going to see. So I do have pretty long lashes to begin with, so let's see what it's going to look like with this. Alright, so I'm already kind of seeing that it's going to be is for long lashes. I definitely does not have any like volume coming with it. I don't even know if it says it's for volumizing, because if it does say that, they are completely wrong. But I haven't read it yet. But it is good for making your lashes long. But yeah, I think it's nice. It's like a more of a not national. This is more of a neutral, natural kind of mascara. So you can see here, it just looks very neutral, natural, doesn't make anything like huge or anything, which is nice. I do like this. Actually, I really do like it because it's like not separating things, it's like keeping it nice and long. It's definitely making it really long. So this is my second coat I'm putting on right now. Oh yeah, I actually really like it. I don't know if you guys can really see, but my lashes are actually pretty long and it actually looks really good. Okay. Next we have a Starlux eye pencil. Now I don't really like eye pencils. Whoa, it's like, what is happening? It's like, I'm gonna try to make it as big as I can so I can show you. And it's like not really having any colors coming in here. Can you guys see? Maybe they have other colors. Maybe this is just like a really, really light, like purple. But I don't know if you can even see it, because I can hardly see it. I'm not even going to put this on my eyes or like my eyeliner because for me, this is just a no. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Does anybody else have this, and did this work for you? Did you guys get a different color? Because I'm not even going to put on this because no, just no. And that is $19. So the last thing in the box is Artist's Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And the color that I have, I hope it's a good one. I hope it's not like one that I would never wear. Hopefully it's like one of the neutral ones, not like blue or something. If I can open it. It says it's going to be Summer Haze. Summer Haze. So I got this, and I think it's going to look pretty cute. Let's see. I've had some of these products before, and I really like it. And how do I get this out? It just literally took me like 8 years for me to get that cap like out. That just took forever, like literally forever. So I'm just going to use this brush right here. It's from Morphe. I have a coupon code for them. I will leave you your link down below. It's just Courtney. And let's put it here and let's see how this goes. Put it right here and let's... Oh, I thought it was going to be like intensely like yellowy, not yellow, kind of orangey for like, oh, I don't even know. It looks really good. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got this color. I thought it was going to be like way too much and like a more bronzy kind of color, but it's not. It's like a really pretty kind of like, it's like a bronzy, but it's more just like a really, I can't even explain it. It's like a really nice color. Yes, it's like, you can see it's like bronzy, but like not like bronze, you know? Cupid's bow, my hands, my face, my butt, just kidding. Alright, so here's the color of it. So you can see it's like, I don't even know, can you see it? It's like, it's really pretty. It kind of comes up a little bit lighter than it looks on my hand, but it's perfect. So this highlighter is $27. So everything is out of the box. I really liked the products. The only one I did not like was that eyeliner or whatever it's called. It was a weird color. It didn't really work very well. But all the other ones, I think they're absolutely amazing. I really love these. I have another one. I think I have two other one of these, but they're different colors. I think this is my favorite actually. So as you guys know, we do not spend this much money for all of the things for the box. So I definitely highly recommend trying out BoxyCharm at least for a box, especially this box, because this one itself is like the amount of the, like just this with all of these products in it. So I highly recommend this. If this is in your box, get it. You will love it. Like being like a highlighter person that loves highlighter, you're gonna love this. I promise. I will leave my link down below for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you guys like BoxyCharm unboxing. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.